Right. Okay, guys. Good evening and welcome back. Hope you can hear me properly, right? Okay. Start the class. And last time we finished the sorry, last time we continued the error correction related past paper discussion, right? So, sorry, tutorial questions discussion related to the error correction, right? So now last week I didn't do the class, but I have uploaded 10 recordings covering past paper discussion of control account, bank record, and error correction from 2010 to 2024 A levels, right? You need to watch it uh, in like 3 weeks. Make sure to finish it. And the plan is like this. Today we are having the paper class, third, and again you are having the class on Saturday, 6th. All good, send me a thumbs up. There's a cover up class on Saturday, 6th, as I told you. So Saturday I'm going to do the class which I missed on Sunday. Sunday දෙකක් මිස් වුණා, එක Sunday එකක් මගේ holiday එකක්, අනිත් Sunday පොයි. මිස් වෙච්ච Sunday දෙකට එකක් මම දාලා දෙනවා 6:30 to 10, around 9:30 10 වගේ 9 10 අතර අපි යන විදිය බලමු soul trade ගණන් හදන්න. Sunday we are starting the manufacturing accounts and no more sole trader discussion because sole trader discussion comes to the paper class because this today is the last day we are discussing error correction. From next week onwards we are discussing the sole trader accounts in the paper class. All good, send me a thumbs up. Then I'm starting the manufacturing account on this Sunday. I'll upload the tutorial to the LMS as well, right? Okay. So let's see. We finished majority of the questions, right? We finished the majority of the question, right? This way. Right. Then let's start the question. We finished up to 8 all the things, right? And we did 11. Don't do 10. 10 කරන්න බෑ ළමයි. මොකද 10 කරන්න එපා. ඔයත් නිකන් කරන්න එපා. මොකද පස්සේ මම දැක්කේ මම මේක ඇකා වලින් ගත්තේ. ඇකා ග්ලෝබල් වෙබ්සයිට් එකකින් ගත්තේ. ඒ සමහර ඒවා කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ සමහර ඒවා කරන්න බෑ. මේ සස්පෙන්ස් account එකේ කේස් තියෙන ඕඩර් කරන්න බෑ. 11 okay. Then let's do the other one. අපි අද පුළුවන් තරම කරමු. මොකද අපි majority ඒවා කරලා තියෙන්නේ. අද අපි පුළුවන් කීපයක් කරමු. ආනේද? කොදාන්න බාන thumbs up එක. All good. Right? Okay, let's start the question number 9 first. 9. If I did the 9, let me know. Given below are the accounting error that occurred in Mudita's business for the year ending the 2017 March 31st. So show the journal entries to make necessary correction. If the draft account of Mudita's business showed a net profit of 125 for the year ended 31st of March 2017, prepare a statement correcting the errors. Right? Okay. Let's do uh, section number 9. Right? Okay. So I'm going to do the section number 9. 9. In question number 9, number 1, we need the to correct the errors. So you need to have the general journal, date, journal voucher number, description, debit and credit. General journal. journal, date, journal voucher number, description, debit, and the credit. Right? Okay. Let's see. Now, number one in here. An invoice for, and let's see, do the profit correction. You need to keep like 20 to 28 lines, keep 20 to 25, 28 lines, keep, because there are five errors. Right? There are five errors, and you can see. Then after that, draft profit correction statement. Number two, profit correction statement. Profit correction statement 1000. So I'm going to take drafted profit or the calculated profit. You can see that is 128,000 plus and minus, right? Then we can calculate the corrected profit, and then after that the workings. Then after that the working. All right. After that the workings. Now let's start. Let's start the question. An invoice for 30,000 in respect of credit sale of Ashan has not been recorded. So this is a credit sale, right? So we don't care about the subsidiary ledger. We need the uh, general ledger only. So if we take about number one, you can see this is a credit sales, right? Not recorded. So you know, ගිය සතියේ අපි මේ ගිය සතියේ මොකක් හරි පෙන්ඩින් එකක් තිබ්බනේ අපි මේකේ ඔක්කොම ඉවර කරෙත් නැද්ද මන්ද? ඔයා මේකේ ඔක්කොම ඉවර කරානේ අවුලක් නැහැ නේද? දාන්න බාන්න කම්සොත් එක. මේකේ අපිට මොනවා හරි තිබ්බද පෙන්ඩින්? ඔයා ඔක්කොම ඉවර කරා? අපි අන්තිමට කරේ no we last 20th නේද? 20th නේ අපි අන්තිමට කරේ. අපි ඒකේ ඔක්කොම කරාද? හරි පෙන්ඩින් තියෙනවා. හරි පෙන්ඩින් තියෙනවා නම් කියන්නේ හරිනේ දාන්න බාන්න කම්සොත් මට මතක නැහැ. අපි ඔක්කොම කරානේ. හරිනේ? ඔව්. හරි පෙන්ඩින් තියෙනවා නම් කියන්නේ. right? Okay. right මට මතක නැහැ ඒ ගාන ඔයා හදාගෙන මේකේ තියෙනවා මේ මං හිතන්නේ අපි ඔක්කොම හැදුවේ නෑ ඒක වයිට් බෝඩ් එක මගේ ඔක්කොම ඩිලීට් වුණා කවද්දී අපි කරේ 20 නේද 26 5 20 බලමු කොහොම කරන්නේ හරි නේද ළමයි දාන්න බාන්න thumbs up අපි ඔක්කොම මේකේ ටිකක් තිබ්බද මන්ද පෙන්නේ මේ ගීර්ති PLC නේද ගාන ගීර්ති PLC ගානේ ඔක්කොම හරි අපි profit reconciliation එක හැදුවා so we created the thing and we need to you need to do this one corrected profit එක ඔයා හදන්න ඕනේ මේකෙන් අරගෙන හරිද මේ corrected trial balance එක use base කරගෙන ඔයාලට හදන්න පුළුවන් නේ දාන්න බාන්න thumbs up corrected trial balance එකෙන් ඒක හදන්න ඕනේ හානේ I need the thumbs up can you hear me වැහෙනව නේද oh right so you can do it right just wait අපිට sales ගන්න පුළුවන් 400,000 නේ කලින් එක පොඩ්ඩක් ඉවර කරලා ඉන්න නැත්නම් වැඩි හරියට උන්නේ sales ඔයාලට පේනවා තියෙනවා 400,000 හරි sale කලින් එක තියෙනවනේ ඔයාලන් ගන්න බං sales තියෙනවා 400,000 so you can see purchases are there 150,000 right කලින් අපි 20 වෙනිදා කරමු අන්තිම එක purchases 150,000 are there then you can see salary 27,000 right is an expense salary 27,000 salary 27,000 my expense categorize කරන්නේ හරිනේ දාන්න බාන්න thumbs up එකක් ළමයි ඇහෙනව නේද can you hear me right salary 27,000 right you can see here then office equipment we don't need because it is an asset Embro other payable office equipment depreciation ඒක ඔයා ගන්න office equipment depreciation 2,500 office equipment depreciation 2,500 then you can see furniture depreciation 15,000 neda for furniture depreciation 15,000 15,000 you can see then bank loan we don't care right? If T is goes to SFP. Insurance 22,000. Insurance 22,000. Bank loan interest 16,000. ගාන්න හරිද කියලා මං කිව්වා හදන්න කියලා. Bank loan interest 16,000. And you can see discount allowed 6,000. Discount allowed 6,000. These are expenses you can see. Then other than that, you can see bad debts 1,000, right? Bad debts 1,000. Trade receivables and bank loan interest payable. Trade payables. Opening stocks are there 55,000. Opening stocks are there 55,000. Right? Opening stocks are there 55,000. 55,000. Then you can see, in addition to that, discount received 1,500 other income. $500 other income. Land building, no, we don't care. Office expenses, you can see how much? 7,500. Then then that's it. That's it. These are the other things. Sales 400,000. So cost of goods to be sold, you can see 205,000. Then you minus 10,000, 195,000 is the cost of sales. 195,000 is the cost of sales. So sales minus cost of sales, you can see gross profit is 205,000. You minus 205,000 is the gross profit, right? Then discount received 1,500. Then 500. 206. Send me a thumbs. 206 is the year. You can see the total of the expenses. ඔයා හදන්න ඇති කියලා මං හිතනවා මම වැටි වෙලා ගන්න නැහැ මොකද මං හදන්න කියලා. You know to get the total 27,000, 2,500, 27,000, 2,500, then 15,000, then you can see 22,000, 16,000, 6,000, then 1,000, then 7,500. You can see the total of the expenses are 97,000, right? 97,000. 97,000 here you can see net profit 97,000 minus 100 minus out plus 106,500. 206,500, you can see 109,500 is the net profit. 109,500 is the net profit. You can see අපිට ඒක දාවේ corrected profit is you can see 109,500. Corrected profit is 109,500. එතකොට මේට එකතු කරන්න තියෙන්නේ 6,000 2,700 right bond key total 60,000 plus 2,700 plus then you can see 2,500 plus then 15,000 16,000 15,000 plus 16,000 then 1,300 1,300 plus 2,000 100,500, that is 100,500. In here 528. So to that we add 109,500. You can see that is 210,000. 210,000. From this we deduct 28,500. 181,500. 181,500 is the corrected profit. All good, send me a thumbs up. හරිද? දාන්න බලන්න thumbs up එකක්. All good? Just correct your answer. I'm not giving time because I asked you to do at home. Right? So make sure to අර්ග පොඩි දෙයක් trial balance එක බලාගෙන හදලා අදට දාන්න තියෙන්නේ. Right. That was done. Then let's come to the today's one. Let's come to the today's one. Right. අපියමු අද එකට. Right. Number 9. An invoice of the 30,000 in respect credit sale to Ashan has not been recorded. So credit sale not recorded, right? So you can see credit sale not recorded means sales account not credited. And you know debtor control. The individual account ultimately comes to the debtor control not recorded. So you can see 30,000, 30,000. So we are using thousands in here. 30,000, 30,000. You can see debtor control debit, sales account credit. And write it number 1. Debtor control account debit 30,000. Sales account credit 30,000. I'm not going to write the narration. Then what narration ලියන්න පුළුවන් හැමදේම පොඩි ළමයා වගේ කරලා දෙන්න බෑ. ආනේද දාන්න බලන්න thumbs up එක. You can write correction of not recording invoice in the ledger accounts. You can write like that. So that is affect to the profit by sales account not recorded. So profit is deficit. Profit is understated by 30,000. Need to add sales, right? Number 1 done. Repairs to building costing 12,000 has been debited to the building account. Let's see what has happened. Right? Roman number 3, 2. right? So cash control, building repair, and the building, right? So repairs to building costing 12,000. Cash control credited 12,000. Instead of building repair, we have debited the building account, right? So you can see this most. So how to correct it? Building account credit, building repair account debit, right? So you can write Roman number 2, building repair account debit, debit 12, building account credit 12. You can write the narration, right? You can write the narration. Building repair was expense, it was not recorded, means uh, profit is overstated. Building repair expense was not recorded. Building, we don't care why it is an asset. 12,000 is, we need to deduct from there. Roman number 3. Payment of 12,000 for electricity has been posted twice. Electricity payment has been posted twice. Roman number 3. Cash and the electricity. Right? 2,000, right? Cash credited 2,000, 2,000, electricity credited 2,000, right? So now what we need to do, we need to remove 2,000 from here, and is an expense account. Expense decrease. The එකම expense එක දෙපාරක් දාලා තියනවා කියන්නේ profit එක මොනවා වෙලා තියෙනවද? Profit එක අඩුයි මේකේ. දැන් add back කරන්න. Electricity දෙපාරක් අඩු කරලා. Right? You can write the narration in here. What is the correction entry in here? Cash account debit, electricity account credit. Cash account debit 2,000. Electricity account credit 2,000. And write the narration. Roman number 4. Purchase of stocks of goods 18,000 on credit from Pasindu has been entered in the purchase journal as 8,100. Purchase of stock of goods 18,000 on credit from Pasindu has been entered in the purchase journal as 8,100. Then you can see Roman number 4. Purchase with the මොකක්ද double entry purchase account debit වෙන. Creditor control තමයි එන්නේ. හරි transaction value එක 18,000. But we recorded as 8,100. Right? 8,100. ඉදාලා තියෙන්නේ 8,100. එන කීයක් අඩුයිද? 9,900 අඩුයි. දැන් මොකද කරන්නේ? We need to add 9,900 to here. 9,900 we need to add. Understand? Send me a thumbs up. 9,900 is 4. So you can write purchase account debit, creditor control credit 9,900. Purchase account debit, $9,900 කියන්නේ මෙතන 9.9 නේද? 9.9 credit 9.9. right? So you can see profit is overstated. So purchase can expense got so we need to deduct 9.9 we need to deduct it. A cash sale of 4,000 has been correctly entered in the cash receipt journal but not recorded in the sales account. While a payment for 24,000 to Ravidu has been correctly recorded in the cash payment journal but debited to the Ravidu's account as 20,000. මෙතන errors දෙකක් තියෙනවා. අපි බලමු වෙන වෙන. errors දෙකක් තියෙනවා. පළවෙනි එක මොකක්ද? Cash sales 4,000 correctly in the cash receipt journal but not in the sales account, right? Sales account එකට දාලා නැහැ. හරි? So you know cash control තියෙනවා. Sales දාලා නැහැ. ඊයද value එක? 4,000. Cash control credit කරලා තියෙනවා 4,000. Sales account එකට දාලා නැහැ. You know sales account debit and the suspense account credit 4,000. Right? Sales account debit and the suspense account credit 4,000. You can write number 5. Teachers got guide again. Suspense account debit 4,000. Sales account credit 4,000. Right? So profit take a madi then down sales account 4,000. You can see the next one. Payment of 24,000 to Ravidu has been correctly recorded in the cash payment journal, but debited to the Ravidu's account as 20,000. Then other no payment karaddi cash control credit and creditor control debit window. Here the gun 24,000. 24. එතන දාලා තියෙන්නේ 20,000. ඒ කියන්නේ 4,000 අඩු. Suspense account එකට credit කරන්න ඕනේ 4,000. Cash control debit sorry creditor control debit 4,000. Suspense account debit 4,000. Suspense account debit 4,000. Account credit 4,000. එතකොට මේකෙන් අවුලක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ මොකුත්. So that's it. You can get the total in here 36 21.9, right? 128 plus 36 means 164. 160 minus 21.9, then it is 142.2 is the corrected profit. All good, send me a thumbs up. Journal entries ටික තියන්න මොන හරි මිස් වුණා නම් බලා ගන්න. ටිකක් ඕන නම් කියන්න. ඉවර වෙලා අර ඉස්සෙන් ටිකක් දාන්න then I'll show you the other. play them පෙන්නන්න. හරි පල්ලෙහාට යන්න ඕන නම් let me. All good, send me a thumbs up. you done put raised hands, can you hear me? Send me a thumbs up. Right. Sorry, පල්ලෙහාට ගන්න. ඉවර වෙලා රේස් hand දාන්න මාව එනවනේ ළමයි. ඔව් thumbs up නෑ. වැඩේ යනවා නේද? හරි. වැඩේ යනවා නේද? ඔය ළමයි ආයෙ දාන්න බාන්න thumbs up එකක්. ටක් ගාලා. වීඩියෝ වල රේස් hand. Right. Write this part and put raised stanza. Profit correction statement, finish it and put raised stanza. Deliver and raise and name the other, renown and raise and anchor. Brother Nituka, all good? Right. Then you can write this part, workings and put trace. Do the workings and put trace. Once you done put trace, Once you done, put raise hands. Right. Hope all good. Now we are not doing this one. Then we are not doing 11. So is there any MCQ type things? No, right? Did everything. Can you do the 15th one? I'll give you a few minutes. All good. Send me a thumbs up. Do the 15th one. I'll give you a few minutes. Right? I'll do it. Shall we do the question? Right. Let's see. The trial balance of Mary Harris as at 31st of March 2000 showed a difference which was posted in suspense account. Drafted final account for the year ended were prepared showing profit following errors were subsequently discovered. Right. Write a journal entries necessary to correct the above errors, show the effect of each addition to profit in the draft financial statements and correct profit. Okay, so 15. So picture number 15. Then 15, number 1, read the journal entries. Date, journal voucher number, description, debit and credit. Hope you have done because I'm not going to give you much time because I gave you enough time. Send me a thumbs up. Hope you have done everything properly, right? So, general journal, right? So, can't take thousands because there are we can take right? Thousand. Date, Journal voucher number, debit and credit. Then in number two, they are asking about the profit correction state. Number two, profit correction statement, drafted profit, plus and minus. So then the working, right? So you can see drafted profit was 472,400. 472,400, right? Then one was done, right? So let's see the transactions. Sale of 474. See, Thomas has been debited to the other receivable account. So what has happened, right? Number one. So sorry, sales, right? Sales account was credited. That is okay, right? It should how much? That is 4.5. 4.5. It should debit to the debtor control, but mistakenly it was debited to the other receivable. 4.5. So to correct it, we need to credit 4.5 in here, 4.5 in here. Debtor control debit, other receivable credit. You can write number one, Roman number one, debtor control account debit 4.5, other receivable credit 4.5. You can put the narration. Roman number two. See the Roman number two. No, not affect to the profit, right? First one done. A payment of 207 for telephone charges has been debited in the debit side of the telephone account as 3,750. Right. You can see cash control credit 2,750. That is the correct one. 2.75. Right. So you can see debited to the telephone account as 3.75. So one we need to credit and suspense account we need to debit. Send me a thumbs up why there is excess 1,000 in here. So suspense account debit 1,000, telephone expense account credit 1,000. Suspense account. Sorry, this is first suspense account debit 1,000, telephone expense account credit 1,000. Suspense account debit 1,000, credit 1,000. So you can see telephone expense was excess 1,000, so the profit was understated. So now we need to add back that 1,000. Right. Number 3. Sales journal has been undercasted by 20,000. දැන් ඔයා දන්නවා sales journal එක undercasted වෙනවා කියන්නේ right මතක තියාගන්න sales account එක විතරයි undercasted වෙන්නේ දාන්න බාන්න thumbs up එකක් තේරුණාද right මොකද sales journal එකේ total එක තමයි sorry just wait right okay sorry yeah. So sales account was undercasted by 20 means sales account එක විතරයි ප්‍රශ්නේ වෙන්නේ මොකද total දැන් ඔයා හිතනවා සර් ඒතර total එකම debtor control debit කළා sales account credit කරනවා නෑ total එක විතරයි debtor control credit sorry sales account එක credit වෙන්නේ ඒ වෙලෙම transaction දාද්දි individual account එකට දාලා එහෙම ඒ වෙලේ ඒ වෙලේ තමයි අපි control account එකට එන්නේ දැන් you know හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න දැන් අපි sales account එකේ හිතන්න අපේ ABC කියලා තුන් දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා කියලා. හරි. මොකද දැන් you know these the general ledger and the subsidiary ledger. මේකේ තියෙනවා එක එක individual debtors ලගේ ABC. ඉතල තියෙනවා debtor control and the sales. හරි. මේ sales journal එකේ total එක විතරයි අපි sales account එකට credit කරන්නේ. හරි. මේ ඉන්ඩිවිජුවල් අයගේ ලියන ඒවා සේල්ස් මෙතන ලියලා ඒ ටෝටල් එක තමයි ඩෙටර් කන්ට්‍රෝල් එකට ගන්න. මේ ටෝටල් එක තමයි මෙතනට ගන්න. දාන්න බාන්න තමයි. තේරුණාද? We take only the total. All right? We take only the total in here. Can you hear me? I need to come. Right? Sales journal එකේ total එක එන්නේ sales account එකට. So remember because of this one you can see sales account was undercasted by how much 20,000 20 right 20,000 වලින් අඩු වෙන්නේ sales account එක විතරයි then we can go to the suspense so sales account credit 20,000 suspense account debit 20,000 and right suspense account debit 20,000 sales account credit 20 right and remember you know sales was undercasted so you do add back right profit එක අඩු repair to machine 3,000 has been charged to the machinery account right 3.9 right so you can see machine repair 3.9 for cash machine and machine repair 3.9, right? Cash credit 3.9. Machine account debit instead of machine repair account. So මොකද කරන්නේ? We need to remove from the machine account, debit the machine repair account. Machine repair account debit, machine account credit. Machine repair expense එකක් ඇවිල්ලා නැගෙන් profit එක වැඩි. 3.9. A check for 15,000 begin rent receivable from Atlas Limited are received only has been credited to the other payable. A check for 15,000 being rent received from Atlas Limited only has been credited to the other payable account. Other payable and the bank. දැන් මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? හරියට clear නෑ කියනවා නේද? You can see number 5. Check receive නේද? එතකොට cash control debit වෙන්න rent income account එක credit වෙන්න කොහෙටද දාලා තියෙන්නේ other payable. 15 credit කර. ඒකෙන් අයින් කරන්න. rent income එකට credit කරන්න. cash control debit කරන්න. දැන් මේකේ පොඩි difference එකක් වෙනවනේ. ඒක suspense account එකට කියන්නේ 30 debit credit කරන්නත් ඕනේ suspense account එක. තේරුණාද දාන්න බලන්න තමයි. මොකද other payable විතරනේ record කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Can you hear me? All right. So cash control debit 15. And other payable debit 15. Rent income credit 15. And suspense account credit 50. Rent income එක දාලා නැහැ. So we need to add to the rent income. That's it. You can see now 20 36 3.9 at 472.4 plus 36 means 508.4 minus 3.9. That is 504.5. The correct number. Correct. හරි නේද දාන්න බාන්න thumbs up එක. එටික ඔයාලා ලියන්න ඉතින් මොකද මම ගොඩාක් time දුන්නේ. I gave you enough time. 15 also done. මම 15 නේ කරන්න කිව්වේ. Right? අනිත් ටික ඔයාලට balance කරගෙන කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ දාන්න බාන්න thumbs up එක. shape නේද ළම? I need the thumbs up. All good. අනිත් ටික කරන්න මේ ලොකු ගණන් එහෙම කරන්න මෙන්න මේ විශාක ගණන් මේ තියෙන්නේ. මේව ඔයා කරන්න මේ විශාක ගණනක් එහෙම තව ඉස්සරහට ගෙනියන්න පුළුවන් ඒත් අපි කම්පැනි accounts වලට එහෙම ගොඩක් තියාගන්න ඕනේ. ඇතියද අවුලක් නැහැ. right? ඉස්සරහට ඔය කරන්න recordings 10ක් තියෙනවා. එතකොට අපි ආයි හම්බ වෙනවා Saturday 6:30 pm. send me a thumbs. soul trader කරනවා අර මිස් වෙච්ච class දෙකක් අපේ Sunday දෙකක් මිස් වුණානේ මොකද? නිවාඩු දෙකක් ආවනේ මගේ නිවාඩුවයි වෙසක් නිවාඩුවයි. ඒතකොට Sunday 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30 වගේ වෙනකන් soul trader ගණන් හදනවා. ඊළඟට ආයි Saturday එනවා. Sunday අපි manufacturing accounts පටන් ගන්නවා. හරි එහෙම තමයි යන්නේ. ඒතර ආයි Wednesday අපි දිගටම කරන්නේ soul trader ගන්න. right? Sunday පුළුවන් තරමක Saturday පුළුවන් තරම කරලා ආයි Wednesday ගන්නවා soul trader වල. right? Okay, let's meet on Saturday 6:30. Thank you for the participation. Bye. Saranay, God bless.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.